Everyone is talking about this two wash flaky fix, so I have to try it for myself. So hi guys, it's Astha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you click on this video, then chances are you are dealing with dandruff on your clothes, itchy scalp, oily roots or dry ends, or that embarrassing white layer on your scalp. And guys, trust me, you are not alone. I have personally experienced this dandruff on and off, especially during the weather change or when my scalp gets irritated. So today I am sharing my personal experience with this TDC Triple Active Anti-Dandruff Shampoo by the brand Dermaco. It is dermatologically tested, and yes, I have personally tested it before talking about it. Let's talk real for a second. Most anti-dandruff shampoos are either dry out your scalp or remove the flakes temporarily or work for a week and the dandruff comes back again. And that's because dandruff isn't just about flakes, it's about fungus, it's about buildup, or it's about scalp imbalance. And the shampoo claims to target all three. But the real question is, does it actually work? This shampoo is from the brand Dermaco, a brand known for dermatologist design formula. Their key promises are 100% dandruff reduction in just 2 washes, kills 99% dandruff causing fungus, prevents dandruff from coming back, and it works on a triple active formula, meaning triple action, not just surface level cleaning. Let me break down for you. It has 2% salicylic acid, which helps to exfoliate the scalp, clear flakes, remove buildup and dead skin. Now let's talk about what you actually care about, the results. After first wash, your scalp felt cleaner, visible flakes reduced and no excessive dryness. And after second wash, your flakes almost gone and itchiness reduced significantly or your scalp felt balanced. One thing people usually fear with anti-dandruff shampoo is dryness, but this one has Hydrosoothe complex which gives 2x hydrated scalp. So even though it is strong on dandruff, it is still safe, effective and comfortable for regular use. I would highly recommend this shampoo if you have recurring dandruff, you see flakes even after washing, your scalp feels itchy or irritated, or you need a solution which is dermatologically tested, or you are tired of dandruff coming back again and again, then it is safe, effective and comfortable for people who wants result, not a temporary solution. Quick tips so that you can get the best results. Apply on wet scalp, massage gently, leave it 1 to 2 minutes and rinse well. Use consistently so that you can get the best result or use on your dandruff face. So if you're looking for a shampoo that actually targets these three problems, then you can definitely try this TDC Triple Active Anti-Dandruff Shampoo by Dermaco. It is definitely worth buying. Dandruff is quite common, but living with it doesn't have to be. If this review really helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below if you've tried this shampoo or if you're planning to. I would really love to know your experience. So see you in the next video.